Hey traders, in today's video, I'm going to teach you exactly how to trade the VGX USDT cryptocurrency pair on the Binance exchange, step by step. In fact, you can literally make over 15% profits or cut at a 5% loss if you want to participate on this live trade. Keep watching. As always, the first step of an effective cryptocurrency technical analysis is to switch the candlestick price chart data of the cryptocurrency to the 4-hour candlestick time frame. Why? Because if you plan your trade entry, stop loss, and take profit prices on a 1-minute or 5-minute candlestick price charts, the odds of hitting your profit loss ratio for the trade will be very slim, and that means you're more likely to lose than you might win in a very volatile market price action. For example, I've switched the candlestick price chart data of the VGX USDT cryptocurrency pair to the 4-hour candlestick time frame. And next up, the most important metrics for performing proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair are the bullish trend section and the bearish trend section of the cryptocurrency price action. And that's absolutely all that you would ever need to perform proper technical analysis of any cryptocurrency pair. For example, the most current bullish trend section of the VGX USDT cryptocurrency pair started from the lowest price of this green candlestick bullish trend starter, which is 0.339 cent, and bounced up by 23.76% and then dipped back down to 3.45%. Note, your duty as a cryptocurrency trader is to identify the start of a no bullish trend section and open or trade position when the bullish trend section is just starting to gain momentum to bounce in price action. And finally, make sure your entry and stop loss prices are constantly at the 15% and 9% of the start of the bullish trend section. For example, for you to get your entry price, you have to measure 15%. Starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter, and then use the blue horizontal line to indicate your entry price, which is 0.390 cents. And next up, for you to get your stop loss price, you have to measure 9%, starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. And then use the red horizontal line to indicate your stop loss price, which is 3.70 cent. And next up, for you to get your safety price, you have to measure 22%, starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. And then use the pink horizontal line to indicate your safety price. And finally, for you to get your take profit price at a 2-to-1 profit loss ratio, you have to measure 30%, starting from the lowest price of the green candlestick bullish trend starter. And then use the white horizontal line to indicate your take profit price, which is 0.441 cent. So as you can see on the candlestick price chart data, your entry price is at 15%, which is 0.390 cent, and your stop loss price is at 9%, which is 0.370 cent, and your safety price is at 22%, which is 0.413 cent, and finally your take profit price is at 30%, which is 0.441 cent. Now, before you move this price data into the Binance order form of your choice, make sure to be extremely patient with the volatility of the current price action of the cryptocurrency pair. For example, wait for the current price action of the cryptocurrency pair to form a 2 or more green candlesticks between the stop loss price and the entry price. And always adhere to these entry conditions before you click that buy button. And finally, once your buy order is completely executed on the order book, make sure to sell 50% of your VGX portfolio at their safety price, which is selling at 0.413 cent, and sell the other 50% at the take profit price, which is selling at 0.441 cent. Note, holding and hoping that your crypto assets will rise in price action, it's not supported by this trading strategy. For example, if the current price action of the VGX USDT cryptocurrency pair suddenly dumps to the stop loss price after you've opened a trade position, make sure to sell your entire VGX portfolio at a loss and be excited about it. You can always re-enter the trade when the current price action of the VGX USDT cryptocurrency pair regains momentum to bounce back up to the entry price. Also, if the price action of the VGX USDT cryptocurrency pair bounces up to the safety and take profit prices, make sure to sell your entire VGX portfolio at the safety price and the take profit price. Make no mistakes, small profits can potentially grow your crypto trading account than holding and hoping for a 10x profits. Look traders, if you can rinse and repeat this trading process over time, you can become one of the next consistently profitable cryptocurrency trader of our generation. If you found value from watching this video, make sure to let me know how much money you made from participating on this trade, and leave a comment below, and make sure to smash that subscribe button below right now. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time.